Pima Air and Space Museum. Hello, Brian. Are fighter planes so small, or are those models? Those are models.
This is just a statue.
Amelia Earhart went down in a plane like this somewhere off the coast of Australia.
I went into production after that. Museum production.
Reconnaissance airplane from 1956. Here is a camera.
Yeah, super high, super fast.
Reconnaissance with cameras in the nose. Right here. Well, they're not telling, according to Zach. Mach 3, so 3 times the speed of sound. So over 2,000 miles an hour. Side of the wing.
Comfort is that.
The great paper airplane. I bet if we donated Brian's piece of the X-15, they would hang it up there, and then they should put a sign that says, donated by Brian Lockett and found by Brian Lockett in the desert. Kitty Hawk? Oh, that's famous. Wait a minute. That's what the Kitty Hawk is. Wilbur Wright's plane. We were trying to figure out what it is, thinking it might be a Mustang. Turns out it's a Piper. Huey. So that's a sky crane, and you put anything you want under it. They can use it to fly over forest fires and dump chemicals on the fire to put it out. Oh my, there's one over there. Looks like they let the children loose on it.
I guess I do want to see the art next plans though. I totally forgot about that.
That's a pretty weird thing, that one where they can stick anything under it. Wow. Oops. Ah.
I'm flying every day out of Magoo, pretty much.
One of the B52, your kind of plane. I'll share it with you when it's done. This one is from Switzerland. Yeah. And there, over there is a guppy. Now, why do I know about the guppy? Brian told me. Got here just in time. Barbara and I came out from the warm restaurant into the air, which is now not so chilly. And Greg said, you got here just in time. We just found Brian's plane. And there it is, Brian. I wish you were here. The X-15 is a replica, and this is the Balls 3. See the number 3 on the nose? From Brian Lockett's book, Balls 3, edited by Greg Hijack and Linda Isley. This is beautiful, Brian. No wonder you fell in love with these planes. Used for peaceful purposes. For science. Says that this plane wasn't here the last time he came to the Pima Air and Space Museum with you, Brian. So you didn't see it here, but he says you saw it many times in California. Wait, who? hike from one wingtip to the other. There they are. So there's the big door that they would open up. Only 2% decrease in fuel efficiency when they opened it up, and then the telescope would look out that door, and the people inside the plane would hardly notice. There's the Sofia, the Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy. Could fly anywhere in the world, open up the door, point the telescope at what they wanted to see.
Hello, Linda.
There's a second one, I think. There he goes. There he goes. It's touching down now. Launch straight up, or it can go on a runway and take off like other planes. Yeah. Here's your chance. You're part of the history.
We're on Shelby Drive.
The Japanese soldiers were trained in this for their kamikaze mission, where they knew they would die. Roofs, and they let the light through, so it's not dark underneath, even though the tops are certainly black. Wonderful.